Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super spicy topic. Should you be peppering passwords? Sounds like I'm making a recipe for password salad, right? But no, I'm talking about boosting your online security. So, let's get started. First things first, what is peppering? No, it's not about adding black pepper to your computer. Salting and peppering are techniques used to make them more secure, typically at the server level. And they add an extra layer of protection just beyond adding the salt alone. When you create a password, a website typically uses salt, a random value added before hashing. Salting and peppering passwords work together to create a more secure layer of protection. Hashing turns your password into a secret code. Salt makes each password super unique, even if two people are using the same password. But if a hacker gets into your database, they might get all the salts as well. That's where password pepper comes in. Password pepper is like that secret ingredient. It's added along with salt to enhance security and isn't stored in the usual way, making it trickier for hackers. However, this is generally implemented by service providers and not individuals. Unlike salt, pepper is often the same for many passwords and is kept super secure. So, the question is, should you be peppering passwords for all of your accounts? Well, peppering is generally something users should not do manually. It can get super complicated and lead to being locked out if you forget the pepper value. So, what should you really do? Use a reliable password manager. Password managers are like your digital spice rack. They store and organize complex passwords without needing you to remember anything. They use strong encryption to keep your passwords super secure, but they don't explicitly add any salt or pepper like a hashing process. Trusting a password manager might feel a bit weird, but good ones like LastPass are designed to keep your secrets safe. They make it much easier to keep a track of everything rather than writing down different variations of your own peppers. And let's be honest, the last thing you want is to be calling your internet service provider and explaining why you can't log in, because you literally can't remember what spice you added to your password last month. Password managers simplify the process while keeping your passwords properly salted and peppered, ensuring they stay safe. Peppering passwords might seem complex, but using a password manager can make it super easy. If you found this helpful, give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe for more straightforward security tips and leave a comment. And also, let me know, do you pepper passwords or are you sticking to salt and a password manager? Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.